Hello boys and girls, Mohit Agarwal here. Very important verdict. Final order of Supreme Court related to CA exams has come out just few minutes back. The source of it is the bar and bench, let me tell you. And I'm just going to take 3 minutes of yours for those students who are restless and they want to know the Supreme Court's verdict. I'll just take 3 minutes. No add nothing, just 3 minutes. And फटाफट सुन लो अब. So Supreme Court has finally given a final verdict, final order which states that exams will take place and ICAI will have to put on the website all the necessary steps that it has taken and it will be taking for conducting the exams and what welfare measures for students ICAI is looking to take or has taken will be put on the website on the public domain for the stakeholders to view it. So this is the final order given by the Supreme Court that ICAI will soon issue a notification on the website and now let me go through the order and the issues that take place today that took place today. Two main issues were raised. One was the isolation room and one was the transportation issue. Regarding isolation room, when raised by the petitioner, the Council of ICAI claimed that isolation room they are demanding, but we cannot give isolation room because this will put the lives of 5 lakh students who are appearing for the exams at risk because we cannot allow COVID patients to come to the isolation rooms. And Supreme Court also has agreed to it. So no isolation rooms will be provided as of now. It seems so. The second issue that was raised was transportation and accommodation, to which ICAI Council said that कोशिश किया गया था, efforts were made, but it could not be sought. So transportation accommodation issue, they tried, but they could not arrange it as per this. Okay, it was sought and it was not possible. And Supreme Court has also requested ICAI or said ICAI that look, it is a state issue, so if you can talk to the state government, it will be good and see if it can be arranged. The third issue was e-admit card, to which ICAI Council has said yes, we think that we'll be allowing e-admit card so that no physical admit card hassles will be there. And the next issue which was raised was that online descriptive exams will not be possible. It's not a tick mark exam. And Supreme Court also said that how can this be allowed? Okay. And ICAI Council has also assured Supreme Court that they have a plan B for any kind of emergency situation. They always have a plan B and the plan B will come into picture if there is any kind of emergency. Okay. And Supreme Court has observed that if there is a lapse, then it will be addressed. If there is any lapse in exam conduct, it will be addressed. Supreme Court has also said it's a professional exam, gear up for your exams. And the final order of Supreme Court says that ICAI has agreed to notify on website steps to be taken by Institute for Students Welfare, and most of the issues have been sought and ICAI has finally been ordered that ICAI has agreed. It will soon issue a notification mentioning all the steps and for students welfare that it has taken or it seeks to take. It will be all in the public domain very soon. So this is the final order. The case has been closed. No more hearing will take place in Supreme Court regarding this. Study well. Take care. Bye bye.